Now let us simplify 45 multiplied by 2 whole number 1 over 5. Solution. We would write 45 as a fraction, and that will be written as 45 over 1. And then we multiply that by. Now we write this mixed fraction 2 whole number 1 over 5 as an improper fraction. That is, we are having 5 multiplied by 2 plus 1 over 5. Now when we simplify this further, we would have 45 over 1 multiplied by 5 times 2, that gives us 10, plus 1, and then we have 11 over 5. Now when we multiply 45 into 11, what do we get? So you have 45 multiplied by 11. And then 1 multiplied by 5 gives us 5. 1 multiplied by 4 gives us 4. And then 1 multiplied by 5, 5. 1 multiplied by 4 gives us 4. And when you add this together, you have 5, 9, and 4. That is what we have at the numerator. 45 multiplied by 11 would give us 495. And then for the denominator, we have 1 multiplied by 5, which is still 5. And then when we simplify this further, you would see that 5 goes in 495. It's a factor. So let's divide it stepwisely so that we don't make an error. First, 5 in 49. 5 will go in 45, and that will go 9 times. So we have 9. Remember, in this case, we have 4 left. So that is, we have 45 over 5. And 5 in 45 will go another 9 times, giving us no remainder. So our final answer is 99. Thank you.